Welcome to the channel Professor Davinci. Today we are going to discuss about two things. One is mean and median. Two things we are going to discuss, right? Last video we have seen relative frequency table, a two-way relative frequency table, two-way frequency table, all we have seen last video. So the first, now let us discuss the mean. First, mean. What is a mean? Mean is a measure of central tendency. In data science, mean also termed as a simple average. Simple average. So mean is a other term is a simple average of a data set. Mean is a value in the data set around which the entire data spreads out. For example, if you take a data set, suppose this is assume I am just visualizing the data. We have a data like this data, okay? Data is scattered across the plane or scattered across the sample space. So mean will be the center value where the other data are scattered around or spread out around the mean. While mean is calculated, all values used in calculation, the average or weighted equality. The mean of a data set is calculated by adding up all the values in the data set and later dividing them by the number of values present in the data set. So let us assume, let me erase this one. Let us assume to calculate how to calculate the mean. For example, you consider here 11 numbers. Consider 11 numbers. For example, from say from 10 to 20. Okay. Now, the mean is calculated by adding up 10 to 20. Say first number, second number, third number, fourth number, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Total 11 numbers are there. Add all those numbers. So we will get is 165. This is the sum of numbers equals 165. Then mean equals sum of all the values, that is the numbers, all the values divided by total number. What is sum of all the values? We have here 165. Total value we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So total value is 11. Let me check the total number from 10 to 20 is 165. So we have 10 plus 11 plus 12 plus 13 plus 14 plus 15 plus 16 plus 17 plus 18 plus 19 plus 20. Yes, 165 divided by 11 equals, it is 15. So 15 is the average or mean. Mean and average both are same. In other words, mean is also termed as average. So what is the average? Total sum of values divided by total number is the average. Okay, right? Let us now try to understand the real life application of mean. We will create a dataset of 5 cities for their minimum day temperature on the particular day. Let us record the temperature in the table. Okay, so how the real world application of the mean. So for that, just we will record the, for example, we have a temperature of 5 cities. So we have, say, city 1, the temperature is 21 degree. City 2, temperature is 13 degree. City 3, the temperature is 24 degree. City 4, temperature is 15 degree. City 5, temperature is 20 degree. We need to find the average temperature. Average temperature of the country or of these cities. So what is the average? The mean, or we can say average equals 21 total number, the sum of numbers. The average is the sum of numbers 21, 13, 24 plus 15 plus 20 divided by total numbers, 5 numbers, which equals 21 plus 13 plus 24, it is 58 plus 15, 73 plus 20 is 93. So it is becoming 93 divided by 5. So what is 93 divided by 5? 93 divided by 5 equals, say, around 18.6 degree. Okay, understand? Okay, now how to visualize this one? So here this can be visualized. If you visualize the mean in this graph, so it will come 18.6, right? So 18.6 is that this is the line, the average temperature is drawn in the graph to show, identify. Clear? So this is how the mean is very much helpful in the real life. Now, the second topic, let me lock the screen. The second topic is median. Median, like the mean, in another form of central tendency. It is the middle point of a stored data set. To calculate the median, we must order our data set in ascending order or descending order. So what the first step, sort the array or sort the elements, sort the numbers in the data set from smallest to bigger or biggest to smallest, either this way or that way. The exact middle value of the set is the median. For example, consider 5 values. Okay, consider a data set of having 5 values, say 12, 34, 56, 89 and 32. Now sort it. How to sort? Either ascending or descending. So 12, 32 and 34, 32, 34, 56, 89. Now total we have 5 elements are there. So what would be their middle one? 5 divided by 2 equals 2.5 we can take the middle one is highest, the upper limit 3. That is the third element. The third element is the middle value. So 12, 32, 12, 32, 34 is the middle one, 56 and 89. So what is the median? This is called a median. This is called a median. In the previous mean calculation, we had a data set with an odd numbers of tokens. Suppose if we have odd numbers, okay, no problem. If we have even numbers, how to find? This odd number, we can say easily we can find the middle one. If we have the odd numbers, I mean even number of values, not even numbers only, total number is even, total, if you have even elements. In this case, what need to do? For example, so we have say 12, 32, 34, 48, 56, 89. So if we have even number of elements, what would be the middle values? Middle element, these two are the middle element. Okay, so in this case, what we need to do? We need to have the average. What is 34 plus 48? 34 plus 48 equals 82. So mean equals 82 divided by 2 equals 41. So here the median is the average of two middle numbers is 41. Understand? Now you might have a question. What is the difference between the mean versus median? Okay, so mean and median both represent the central tendency of a data set. So when do we find a mean over median? I mean use a median over mean. Median is a more accurate form of central tendency, especially in the scenario where there are some irregular values, also known as outlier. So whenever we have the irregular values, because in real life data collection they may have the error outlier. So in those cases, mean may give the wrong tendency, central tendency, but median may give the accurate one. For example, consider a scenario. A person gets a blood sugar checked every week, but due to some error in the device, the recording of for a week of a week is too high. For example, we can take the blood sugar of a particular person. Some person is 141, 143. In the third week, it is 147. Fourth week, 210 and 146. If you see here, the range is near about 140 to 140, right? If you see here, this 210 is a outlier. This outlier is called a error or data error. Data error. So in this situation, if you find the mean, it comes on 157.4. If you find the median, median equals the middle value. This is the median, right? So 147. So from the above scenario, we see the mean value deviates greatly from the blood sugar. So what is the mean value? Is it this one? Okay, but the blood sugar lies between 141 to 147. See here, the mean value deviates very large value, okay, due to the device error or data error. whereas the median value, still accurate, represents the central point of the data. So, under circumstances where there are outlier in the data set, median is a more efficient measure of a central tendency. In this scenario, the median gives more accurate value. Okay, right? Understand? See you guys. Have a great day.